Math teachers, so I'm going to share with you a little tool that you can use if you have an iPad available and you're using screen recording. You can actually record your screen, so right now as I'm moving, you can go ahead and see that everything will be recorded. Now, one thing that I wanted to share with you is, for example, if you have those star type problems, for example, this is a third grade release test, and I'll just go here. What I can do is I can go ahead and take a snapshot of this, and I can go ahead and save it. Click done, save to photos. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and access my photos. Click here, this is the picture that I have, and then up at the upper right hand corner you have edit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to edit, and then if you notice, you open up a menu at the bottom. What you want is you want the three dots that are on the far right. You click on that, and now you have markup. You have the markup tool, and you notice that now you have a pen, you have a pencil, you have an eraser, a highlighter. So let's go ahead and highlight here. It says Anissa shaded part of the figure shown below. What fraction of the figure is shaded? So let's say I highlight shaded, underline my question. I can change the color and say what fraction. Well, how many pieces do I have? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, and so that turns into my denominator. How many pieces are shaded? So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are shaded. So I have 6 eighths. Now that's an answer that I have here. I'm not sure if they're asking me to reduce, but I'll go ahead and reduce. Now this is the way that I learned my math back in the day. So then this would be 3/4. So I guess this was your correct answer, 6 eighths. So now you can go ahead and mark up that question that I searched for, and you can go ahead and record your voice over it, and I'm going to click done. And if you notice, it's still recording here. If you see at the upper part of the screen, you see that red, you'll be able to record. Now I'm going to do something else too as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the camera, and I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of this problem here. So I can go ahead and take a picture of that. There you go. Now I go back to my library. I can go ahead and go to that picture here. I'm going to hit edit, my 3 dots, and now I'm going to go ahead and mark up. Click OK. So now for this, I'll go ahead and use my pencil with blue. So first step is I'm going to go ahead and mark up here. -5 on both sides. 3x is equal to 15. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X is equal to 5. So there's your answer. Now, should you have a student that is absent, you have just recorded the problem, you have recorded the steps, and you've recorded your voice, and now you can go ahead and send this to your student via Google Classroom. So if you like what you see, please go ahead and reply to me, or Mr. Palomín will be more than happy to go ahead and train you or share with you the tools that we have available that will make things a lot easier for you in your classroom. I'm going to put this up in Google Classroom, and feel free to give us any feedback. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.